Welcome to week 5 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL picks and then make a parlay with those 3 picks. I'm picking the 3 teams that I think are most guaranteed to win. I'll show my stats from week to week, and the best thing about it is that there's zero investment involved. So if you're interested in free sports predictions, please use the Ember app link that I've provided in the description. My first pick is the Buffalo Bills over the New England Patriots. The Buffalo Bills have been in some close games, but with Josh Allen, you always feel like he's going to come through and win. And while the Patriots look pretty good, I just don't think they're on the Bills level whatsoever. My second pick is the Detroit Lions over the Cincinnati Bengals. Now that the Cincinnati Bengals don't have Joe Burrow, they're not nearly as good, and the Lions really do beat up on bad teams just like they did last week. And honestly, to me, this is the most obvious pick of the week. And for my final pick, I'm picking the Kansas City Chiefs over the Jacksonville Jaguars. The Kansas City Chiefs very rarely lose on primetime, and I feel like they're really picking up their stride at this point. Sometimes they'll start slow and just completely start bulldozing teams, and I wouldn't be surprised that happens. Patrick Mahomes is one of the greatest of all time. And that means my parlay is Buffalo, Kansas City, and Detroit, betting 5,000 sats to win 11,000 sats. So fingers crossed this parlay comes through, and I'll come back next week with updated stats. And for legal purposes, I do have to say that these videos are for entertainment purposes only. And while Ember does allow you to make sports predictions without putting in any of your own real money, I do have to point this out. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.